Sit here and get used to it, I think. Oh, they got stairs over there, and then you go down the slide. Oh, there's a reason the pool's empty. It's very freezing.
Absolutely freezing.
Going on the slide.
Oh, oh. Oh my god! Oh my god! You want to look outside?
Oh, they warm up.
You will, you will.
You're floating, are you?
Like a fish.
Wow.
No, go.
Come back!
Go back.
Come back! Alright, wait. Wow.
Look, you've got armbands. You've got armbands. Look, you're floating. You're floating.
We should get in a hot tub.
Look, hang on, Zach. Come round. Put your arm round my
There's not
neck.
many people in that hot tub there. I missed it. Oh, I don't think I got that. Split second after Lucia fell over. Ooh. Are you hurt in any way? No? Okay. So you won't be able to go from here to the big pool now because you're going to be
Oh
too...
no, this is too nice. I'm not getting out of it. It's too cold over there.
Not even liquid, is it?
Oh, not real anyway, so don't mind.
Are they not? It's nice, isn't it? Relaxing.
Very relaxing.
There was no way I was getting back in that swimming pool after going in the hot tub.
No.